Leading up to 2023, we were given an opportunity to look back at our past 110 years of pattern development. One of those elements that we noticed trending throughout those 110 years was botanicals. Some of those patterns in our history that struck a heart chord because they had more personality, or we have nostalgia for one of them in our lives, or we recognize them as being particularly important to the brand, are woodland, the floret design, pastoral, willow, fern globe, daisy, flora, and leaves. So before biophilic design had that name, people were bringing natural materials into built environments all the time. No one ever gave a directive, you need to launch a flower pattern this year, or we must have leaves. And these really beautiful patterns were designed and launched into the market as a result of a naturally occurring process. Humans wanting softness and nature in their spaces.